Hey everybody, I'm here at City Hardwoods in Birmingham, Alabama. I like to come in every couple of weeks just to check and see if they have anything new I can't live without. So there's such a great selection here. Just take a look at this. If you like live edge slabs, all different species, maple dimensional lumber. I mean, just take a look at this. Exotics over here. Look at that. Guitar makers out there. Look at this 8/4 black limba right here. Let me get back so you can get a shot at that. Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. Walnut, hickory, more walnut. Here we have some cypress. Over here we have some cedar, pine. I mean, look at this cherry, 4/4, 8/4 cherry, hard maple, ambrosia maple. Good selection of that. 8/4 black walnut. Some beautiful boards right there. Some beautiful pieces of ambrosia maple. Look at that. Sapele, what a great wood to work with. Sapele is awesome. Come over here to ash, 4/4 ash. And then here's some first and seconds ash. Beautiful. Some of these pieces are just absolutely clear. Have white oak. Some kind of spalted. Yeah, we'll go with whatever that is. Maple, spalted maple. Some pecan. Take a look at that. Bama pecan right there. White oak. Let's walk back around. That giant walnut slab right there. Over here, some more exotics. Some canary wood. Purple heart, some zebra wood, wingay, piece of curly maple. Let's get him back where he goes. Some shorter lengths, black limba. Then just little boxes of odds and ends here. More cedar. Just little odds and ends and cutoffs, project stuff. If you live anywhere around the Birmingham area, and you like woodworking and you haven't been here, you're doing yourself a disservice. I would come in here and see Jonathan or Caleb. They can fix you up. So I did find a piece of curly maple over here that I'm real interested in, so I think I'm going to go take a look at that and see if maybe I can use it in something coming up.